What's up, y'all? It's a Crocs. Welcome back to a brand new Bussin Bites episode here in my kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making a waffle kind of sandwich for breakfast. So I'm gonna teach you how to make that. As you can see, the waffle's kind of dripping out the side. But I'm making the actual waffle part. Got one right there. You're gonna need two sides of it. Then you're gonna need some ham, some cheese, some sausage, some tater tots or some hash browns, and just keep on watching. Put your hash browns and your sausage in the air fryer for about like 10-15 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna make the sandwich. So while everything's cooking in the air fryer, like the tater tots and the egg, I just said egg, I'm tripping. But you wanna put an egg in the pan, cook up your egg while everything else is cooking. I'm about to show you that. Take some salt and some pepper onto those eggs. Make them how you like them. I'm gonna do them runny, or try to do them runny, just because I feel like they'll make the sandwich better. But yeah. First you're gonna wanna put on your cheese. Then you're gonna put on your ham. Then you're gonna put on your sausage. Then you're gonna put on your egg. I'm gonna put on the egg and then come back once it's done. Once you got your egg on, get your tater tots or whatever. Put them all in there. And you close it off with the other one. I'm gonna show you what you do for the final step. Then you're gonna take it and press it down one more time. Then you're gonna take it up and gonna put it on the plate and eat it. Y'all can't tell me this thing right here doesn't look good. Look at that. Dip that thing in some syrup. Oh my fucking God. Fucking torch. Don't pray me. No. That's just fucking bussin'. What's up, y'all? It's a Crocs back in my kitchen today again. And we're gonna be making something called cracked corn dip, or basically Mexican street corn dip. And I'm gonna bring you through the process of how I make it. So maybe I wanna try it too. You'll need garlic powder, cilantro, Parmesan cheese is what I use. You can use other cheese, tapatio, reduced mayonnaise, red and green chilies, my jalapeno peppers I got, and green chilies, sour cream, and then your corn, main ingredient. And I'm gonna show you what you do with everything. What you wanna do is put your corn in. You wanna put in some of your green chilies. I don't want to do too much. You do how much you like. You're gonna put in jalapenos and put more jalapenos. Like that. Then you're gonna chop up your cilantro, throw it in there, and then I'm gonna show you the rest after. You got your cilantro on there, throwing some sour cream. This is mostly a sour cream based thing with some mayonnaise. You're throwing a good amount. Like that, then we're gonna put in some mayonnaise. Do about that much mayonnaise and mix it. We'll come back to y'all once I mixed it. You're gonna take a cayenne pepper. Put some of that on there. You're gonna take your garlic powder. Put some of that on there. You're gonna take your pepper. You're gonna take some salt. You're gonna take some Parmesan cheese. This one's overwhelmed. We're gonna make it work. You're gonna wanna mix that together. I had to add a little extra seasoning. Just because once you mix it, doesn't really get all around. And you're gonna go ahead and add your tapatio. If you like it a little bit spicy. And you're gonna mix again. Now we're gonna try this. Look at that. Oh, this shit fucking bussin', bro. Y'all really need to try this. Use my recipe.